If you're experiencing lag spikes while playing Baldur's Gate 3, follow these steps to optimize your game performance. This guide will help you adjust settings and improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum and recommended system requirements for Baldur's Gate 3. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage space to ensure optimal performance. Step 2. Update drivers. Make sure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers, as updates can significantly improve game performance. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Launch the game and navigate to the settings menu. Lower the graphics settings such as resolution, texture quality, and shadow quality to reduce the load on your system, which can help minimize lag spikes. Step 4. Close background applications. Before starting the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources, allowing your computer to dedicate more power to the game. Step 5. Optimize game files. Verify the integrity of the game files through the game launcher, Steam, or other platforms. This process can fix any corrupted files that may be causing performance issues, ensuring a smoother gaming experience. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce lag spikes and enjoy a more stable gameplay experience in Baldur's Gate 3. Happy gaming!